Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlink EA account from Steam. First, open your browser and go to the official EA website. Log in using the EA account that is connected to your Steam profile. Make sure you use the correct email and password. After you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to continue. On the left side menu, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section shows all platforms linked to your EA account. Look for Steam in the list of connected services. Once you find Steam, click on the Unlink button next to it. A security code will be sent to your email for verification. Open your email, copy the code, and enter it on the EA page. After that, read the disclaimer carefully. Check the box to confirm that you understand the consequences. Then click on Unlink to complete the process. After completing these steps, your Steam account will no longer be linked to your EA account. Thanks for watching.